Okay, so today I'm so excited because I'm going to be kind of revamping my grandson's room for him for his birthday. You know, I'm all about experiences instead of just another thing, getting him another, truck or another set of Legos or that kind of thing. I wanted to give him an experience and I wanted him to be a part of it. So what we're going to do today is we're going to completely clean out and organize, rearrange, paint, all kinds of, just decorate his room the way he wants it and the way he sees it, not what I see or what his mom or dad sees, what his vision. And I'm really excited to share this with you guys. So let's get over there and let's get started. Okay, so when I first got here, this is how they prepped. They put everything on the bed, and we had our friend here helping us paint. But everything was on the bed and we had to wait for paint to be done and then start our sorting. Why you let me go? Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if okay, so painting is done. And this is what we've got to work with. What do you think, Bubba? Do you like the color? Are you happy?
I'm eating my vitamins.
You're eating your vitamins. Good boy. Thank you. Big and strong. Okay, so this is what we gotta get. Yahoo! This is what we gotta get organized. Yep. And then we've got our little sidekick here that's helping us. Say hello. Okay, we're gonna get started here. In all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I move on. I got it, I gotta go, running to better times. Go, from my emotions I'll go, running to better times, to better times. While we were in there, I just wanted to give it a really deep clean and get the baseboards and everything really, really cleaned. Want to say? What do you want to say? You want to see yourself? basically just went and took everything out to the family room and just went through piece by piece everything, all his little Legos, separated everything so that we could figure out what container would go into each, or what type of toy would go in each container. Okay, this poor baby was so frustrated and just wanted to be let out of this little cage that she felt she was in. So it was a tough day for her. It was real fun that we could all get together and decide where everything's going to go at his direction, but that we were kind of just all a part of it. Okay, so Tadeo, what? Are you so excited for your new room?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your favorite thing?
My TV.
Your TV in there? Now, is that a TV that you watch TV or is that for games?
I don't really use it. It's for games.
It's for games, but you just like that it looks like a big boy, huh? And you can have your own space. Do you like the paint color that you picked? Yeah, and do you like the way the room is arranged, the way you chose? You like it better that way?
Yeah.
Well, I think it turned out super cute, and I think it's a great room for you. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay, happy birthday, Bubba's. Okay, so this was a jam-packed day. I hope you enjoyed this. I had so much fun with him. I think he really enjoyed it. I think he's really happy. He says his best thing, which you saw, is his favorite thing is the TV in his room, even though it's not a TV for him to watch. But I think it's great. It's the way he wanted it, and I think that's what's important. I understand as little kids, we kind of need to guide them and help them and decorate and that kind of thing. But, you know, with him, you know, turning 8, and I think he had a vision. He very much enjoys design. He has an app that he plays a game on, and he really enjoys it. And he had a vision. He knew exactly what he wanted, where he wanted it, and how he wanted it to be. And I think that's important. You know, involve your kids. Involve your kids because their room tells their story. Just like your house is going to tell your family's story, you know, their spaces are going to tell their story. And they should be a part of that and enjoy that. So I hope I gave you some inspiration. You know, we didn't spend a lot of money. We painted 3 walls. We went to IKEA. We got some extra storage, and then everything else was what he had, just rearranged. The TV that his parents already had. So it's not like we spent a whole lot of money, but I think when he looks back and he's thinking about gifts or this or that, he's going to remember that his Mimi, for his 8th birthday, you know, we redid my room and it was so much fun and he was a part of it. You know, instead of, I don't know, she got me some truck or whatever. And as you can see, he doesn't need any more toys. That was my other point. So, you know, think about gift giving. Maybe not for your kids' friends for a birthday party, but for your children or your grandchildren or, you know, family members. think about experiential giving instead of, you know, just another toy. Wrap up, you know, like tickets to go see Disney on Ice or something like that, you know. So they have something to open, but it's an experience and it's something that they can remember, and it's a memory, not just stuff. So I don't think all of us need all this stuff anymore. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I gave you some inspiration, and I hope that you try something like this. I appreciate you for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you will subscribe and hit the notification button and hit all so that you're notified on all videos. And I hope you have a great and blessed day. Bye guys, see you in the next one.